Let's see, get a little vulnerable here. What's the biggest
Ooh.
mistake you've made on a job site?
Okay. This is funny because I know you know the answer to this.
Oh,
Once I tell it, you're gonna, yeah, Bruno's shouting the back. Okay, so one, you don't make mistakes on job sites. There are learning experiences. I've had a lot of learning experiences at my time in RO.
did this one involve something people would jump into?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I do know what you're talking about.
So long story short, before I get to the long story, they put the pool rebar in backwards at Perry. Sounds terrible if I was checking the rebar for the 2 days that it took them. But what happened is I'm a 23 years old, fresh OE, fresh out of college. We're building the pool. Pool guy comes in. Zach, I've been building pools for 30 years. You don't got to worry about me. I do this in my sleep. I'm like, sweet, check that off the list. I don't have to check that guy's stuff. Like, that guy knew what he was doing. Damn. Me and Lacey it's 5 o'clock. We're both walking to our cars, just chit-chatting about the day. She's telling me about my to-do list. And she kind of peeks over and she goes, Zach, like, she looks at it for 2 seconds. She goes, Zach, look at the pool. I look over. I'm like, oh no. She's like, yeah, you need to do something. So I immediately grab the phone, call the trade partner. He's like, Zach, what's up? I'm like, man, you put the pool in backwards. He's like, what do you mean backwards? I'm like, the bench is on the wrong side. You have the bench pointed out to Red River instead of pointed to the 100-year-old mansion that we're spending millions and millions of dollars on refurbishing. Who wants to look at the street? He's like, no way. No, I did not do that. I'm like, cancel the gun because they were going to pour it the next day. It was going to be so bad. So it didn't turn out that bad. But yeah, so I'm like, cancel the gunite. You're not pouring this. I'll see you at 7 a.m. So he comes in at 7 a.m. He's like, look, no, it's in per plan. I take the sheet, flip it over. I'm like, that's how it's supposed to. Oh my God. He was sweating, worried about cost. And so I was like, you put it in backwards, redo it. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It was, so for all the OEs, Ps, QMs out there, if anyone ever comes and tells you that they've been doing it for 30 years and that you don't need to check their stuff, run to their stuff. Run and check it because that guy is going to make mistakes.
Oh, brother, I do remember that. As soon as I thought about it, I was like, oh, I know exactly.
I'll still meet people for the first time at like happy hours here. Say like, hey, Zach Coker. They're like, are you the one that put the pool in backwards? I'm like, damn it. That story will follow me forever.
This will only further perpetuate the legacy.
Now it's on the internet forever.
Forever. Yeah, we don't take these down. We don't edit them either.